Hi, this video will guide you through importing data to the main form along with its subform entries in Zoho Creator. We'll demonstrate this use case using a sample app. This is the order form, which is the main form used to make new order entries. The line items form is being used as a subform within this form to add product details. Now, imagine a scenario where there's a requirement to import order details into the order form. Every order contains data from both the main form and its subform. To import the order details with the respective product data, we must use a bidirectional lookup field to map the data. We'll then import the main form data and the subform data separately into their respective forms, which will then be consolidated through the bidirectional lookup. This requirement can only be achieved if an external form is used as a subform within the main form and will not work with inline subforms. Follow these simple steps to achieve the requirement. The first step is to prepare the import data. The import data for both forms must contain one field value in common to map the respective products to each order, and the field value should be unique for every record. In our case, we have the invoice ID field in the form to do the job. The field values entered in this field must be part in the import data as well. We'll use this field to establish a connection from the subform to the main form, as it contains a unique value for each record. Once the import data is modified to this format, we can proceed to the next step. The next step involves establishing a connection from the subform to the main form. The main form and subform are already connected, as the line items form is a subform on the order form. We'll now do the vice versa. To do that, from the line items form, access the editor, open the form builder, and choose the lookup field from the advanced field section. Select the order form and choose the invoice ID field. Since the two forms are already connected, enable the bidirectional lookup. Choose the existing relation from the dropdown. In this case, we have the line items form named as the add product subform field on the order form. We perform this step to map the subform data to the main form data. We do this by passing the invoice ID for each record of the main form while importing data into the subform. Click Done. Give a name to the field and click Done. The final step is to import the respective data into the forms. This is the same import data we saw earlier. Both import sheets contain the invoice ID field in common to identify the order and its respective products. Let's first import the data for the order form. Map the fields and import the data. As we see, the order details have been successfully imported to the order form and are displayed in the All Orders report. It contains all the order details of this respective form, but the product details are missing. Let's go ahead and import those data as well. Since the subtotal field in the subform is a formula field, it cannot be imported directly. However, Zoho Creator will automatically calculate its value based on the other field inputs. Map the fields and import the data. The product details are successfully imported to the line items form and are displayed in the All Line Items report. Let's check the All Orders report to see how our configuration worked. As we can see, the orders now include their respective products, indicating that the subform entries made on the main form are seamlessly consolidated. This ensures that the requirement is met. Similarly, you can use this method to import main form's data along with its subform data within your Zoho Creator applications. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.